Hello, my nature friend. Come along with me and watch the eagles soar as I was watching them from Roaring River State Park in Missouri. I also want to share some really cool bald eagle facts with you. The largest recorded eagle's nest was discovered in St. Petersburg, Florida, measured 9.5 feet in diameter and was 20 feet deep, and it weighed close to 3 tons. A bald eagle's wingspan can be up to 7.5 feet. It can fly up to 40 miles per hour, but the diving speeds are up to 100 miles per hour. Bald eagles can see about 8 times as far as humans. They can spot a rabbit about 2 miles away. Eagles are the only birds that embrace storms' turbulent winds to push themselves higher, to fly above the storms instead of seeking shelter. Thanks for joining me today.